Hi everyone, welcome back to the Many Adventures of Cath. Today we're going to be taking a look at the January 2019 box. And we may get a little help from Eeyore here, or a little help from my cat who's wandering around on the table. But we'll see. In December, they packaged it in a bag, like a TVOC bag. And then we shortly got a survey in January saying, hey, what did we think about the bag? Did we love it? Did we hate it? Did we not care? So I think they got some not so good feedback on it. I prefer the box for whatever reason. It seems a little bit more special to me, and I like the art on it. This one's a little bit more shallow than normal, so let's see what goodies we have in here. All right, today's quote is, "If a tree falls in the woods, be there to hear it." It's good advice. And Eeyore just decided to go on vacation, apparently, with my cat. All right, let's see here. What we got on our paper is, never measure the height of a mountain until you have reached the top. Then you'll see how low it was. Oh, and look what's on top. The sticker that was apparently MIA, at least for me, from the last few packages. It's kind of funny how simple things like this make a big difference. Here's our little newsletter. And, oh, this is a special edition box, not a January box. So that means, I don't know what that means. But we'll see what's in it. So we have, looks like first aid cream of some sort. And it's like magical because it does everything. Insect bites, blisters, cuts, scrapes, poison ivy, chafing. Yeah, well, that could be handy. I'll take a closer look at it and find out. I remember the good old days of first aid cream. I haven't really seen it of late, but it's something we used a lot as a kid. And, ooh, a pocket blanket. Not too bad in weight. It folds down to about the size of a cigarette. Yeah, that could be really handy. It's good for surface seating for 2 people. I think that'll be a resident in a travel bag or a backpack or the back of the car. And the funny thing is I'm heading to the beach in a few weeks, or actually a few days, and it's gonna be a wet beach, so we'll see how protective it is. All right, here's my food item. It is a hydration mix for water, coconut water with Acumen. So I assume that makes me want to hydrate. We'll see how that tastes one of these days. I am not a huge fan of coconut water, so it could be interesting. There's just something weird. And the ingredients are kind of freaky. Freeze-dried coconut water powder, Acumen, calcium from marine algae, and contains tree nuts. Well, I guess a coconut is a tree nut. Yeah, that'll be interesting. I'm a little skeptical. And I get some body wash. So this is Double Mint, and it's a Castile wash, so it's probably one of the ones that's biodegradable and you can use anywhere. I already use Dr. Bromer's quite a lot. Let's see how this stuff smells. It's not overly minty, so it never hurts to have another one of those. So that's my box. I get soap, coconut hydration water, a pocket blanket, and some sort of first aid cream. And it's all, again, in a special edition box, not the January box. I'm going to have to go online and see if other people are getting different boxes. It's all kind of a mystery to me. Anyway, this is, oh, and that probably explains why I got this sticker. It's probably an old box they've had in storage, and so they're still giving out the stickers. So we'll find out what happens in February if we get something cool and different and actually says February on it. Any rate, useful stuff. Again, generally I get useful stuff in these boxes. Whether I would ever go out and buy it, who knows? But I think that's really the point and kind of what I love about the Cairn boxes. Any rate, thanks for joining me, and from Eeyore, my kitty cat, and myself, adventure on, And I'll catch you next time around. Bye-bye.